Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from April 13th to the 19th and using this kit from the Given Girl. This is one of her older kits and it's in her older format. I purchased it a la carte, and so I just have 2 pages. I have the first 2 pages of this kit. On the first page we have the full boxes, which has gorgeous rose gold foil, and let's see if I can get the camera to actually pick that up. Yay! Pretty rose gold foil, and I love how she has like the scattered foil, so it's just really intensely foiled, which is so beautiful. And then we've got a couple of, I think these would be more like third boxes down at the bottom here. And then on this page we have the gorgeous bottom washi, which also has the beautiful foil on it, and her date covers, weekend banner, and date dots. Her date covers, when she first came out, what attracted me to her shop was the unique shape of her date covers, and so I'm really excited to use this because I love these date covers. She's since updated and has more standard traditional style of date covers. But I still think these are super cute, so I'm really excited to use them. Because I only have these 2 sheets, I'm going to be pulling in lots of other stickers from different shops. So I've got like my date script to cover up this madness here, and then I pulled in a bunch of like quarter boxes and half boxes with rose gold foil that I'm going to be adding into the spread from the Given Girl Art Box Stickers, Sadie Stickers, and then I've got a weekend banner and some habit trackers from Nettie Designs that I'll also be using with this spread. So if you would like to see how this spread comes together, please just keep watching. Starting as usual by placing down my bottom washi. This week marked week 4 of working at home for me. I'm curious to know what week it is for you guys. And because I know some people like started maybe a week or even 2 weeks before I did. My job kind of held in there for a while. Planning has really been like a great outlet for me during all of this. And I feel like kind of the 2 most popular ones that I've been hearing most people talk about, I have not gotten into, which is playing Animal Crossing and that show Tiger King, which I have not yet watched. But I have a feeling at some point I may have to watch an episode because everyone is just talking about how crazy it is. Anyways, I've added date dots to the date covers, and those date dots are from Art Box Stickers. And then I'm moving over to my sidebar now. I put down the little bow from the kit, and this April monthly script is from Rose Colored Days. I'm using the quote box from the kit, which says, "I can and I will." Very positive and uplifting quote during these times. So I thought that felt super appropriate. Then putting down a rose gold foiled header from Rose Colored Days. And then using one of these label stickers from Sadie Stickers. I'm building up my sidebar here, and this is where I'm going to mark my dinners for the week. I'm left-handed, and writing in the sidebar, my hand usually falls like off the side of the page. And so because I have to do the most writing when I'm filling in the dinner section of my sidebar, I usually try to put that towards the top of my sidebar because it makes it easier to write than if I have it down at the bottom. And so I started with that. The Monday through Sunday tracker is from Rose Colored Days, and then I'm adding some what are these habit trackers from Nettie Designs, and I've layered some foil scripts from Sticky Sloth Designs on top of them. And I think I mentioned this in my last plan with me. I'm super obsessed with the layering of foil scripts on top of these foil habit trackers. I just think the visual effect is so stunning. The headers above and below the habit trackers are from Tasseled Planner. And as I was getting to the bottom, I realized I wanted to fill in that space, and I had another full box because this kit came with 9. And so I took one of the full boxes and just cut it down to finish off the sidebar. And then I'm going to get started moving into my day by day. So on to Monday. Started by placing down a rose gold header from Rose Colored Days, and then I'm using one of these like bow confetti foiled boxes from Sadie Stickers, and I love like just the detail around the border of the box with the foiling. It's so pretty. The little desktop monitor is from Sweet Bella XOXO, and this work script is from Panda Bird Design. Nope, Paper Panda. That's what it is. I always confuse the names of those two shops because they both have panda in them, but it's Paper Panda. And then I put down a header from Tassel Planner and added the full box for Monday. And in that work box, I just noted that I needed to approve my time card and that it was week 4 of working from home. And then underneath the full box, I put down a third box from the kit and added a little headphone speaker from Tassel Planner. I am in the process of adding new icons to my stash, so I'm not using as much Tassel Planner, but I'd use that to mark a podcast that I listen to that uploads new episodes on Mondays. On Tuesday, I added one of the full boxes from the kit, and I love that it was like this frame style full box, so I decided to take advantage of that and go ahead and write inside of it. Crafts by Taui, like I said, I'm working on building up my icon collection, and she'd released all of her volumes from 1 through 9, and so I went crazy and ordered a bunch of them so that I can be using icons that are not from a shop that's closed, because if you are unaware, Tassel Planner is closed now, so all of the stickers that I'm using from her unfortunately can't be purchased. So moving on, under that, on Tuesday I put down a header from Rose Colored Days, another one of those label stickers from Sadie Stickers to mark something that I needed to do for work, and then I hopped over to Wednesday. I started with one of those headers from Sadie Stickers, and then put down this little quarter box with the scallop foil from Artbox Stickers. This little camera icon is from Sweet Bella XOXO, and the hashtag midweek post is from Rose Colored Days. And I use that to mark just uploading the midweek post of my spread, which I do on Instagram on Wednesdays. Underneath there, I put down a half box from Artbox Stickers, and the Plan With Me live script is from Letters to Apollo. I uploaded my first PP Weeks mock spread, and that was so much fun to do. I'm really enjoying playing around in that planner. Hopping back over to Monday, I used this Build-Do sticker from Panda Bird Design, and then put down another one of those label stickers from Sadie Stickers and added a little cell phone icon on top of that to mark a mobile check deposit. And then in that area, like, it just felt really blank, so I wanted to add some deco in there. And this flourish is from Sadie Stickers, and it's so cute. And then I decided to add some butterflies from Nettie Designs. I love these little butterflies. They're so adorable, and they just add kind of a cute little whimsical touch to it, which I thought was perfect for this spread, because that's kind of how I would describe a Giving Girl kit anyways, just like very playful and whimsical. Then underneath there, I added some little weights icons, and that's again from Tassel Planner. I used to be on her PR team, so I have a bunch of her icon stickers, which is why I needed to like totally revamp my stash of icons. So I'm in the process of working on it. To Wednesday, I put down the full box for Wednesday, and then decided to add another one of those Sadie's flourishes to where I had marked my Plan With Me live. So I layered that on top of that half box, and then I'm using one of these scalloped quarter boxes from the Giving Girl, and I felt like I had way too much going on with like bow on the half box right above it, so I didn't want another box with a bow on it. So I'm layering my Happy Meal icon on top of the bow in the center of there, and just marking some Happy Meal I was expecting from Jackson Pepper, which tracking said was going to arrive Wednesday. Did not actually arrive till Friday, but I'm like, you know what? I know the post office is working crazy hard right now, so no complaints. Anyways, moving on to the second half of the week, I'm just scattering my full boxes here and trying to figure out the right placement for them and what's going to make me happy. And that took me a bit of rearranging. Thank God for editing, so you guys didn't have to watch all of the moving around I did with those full boxes. Now I'm putting down my weekend banner, and I started by putting down some of those headers from Tassel Planner, and then I layered this weekend banner from Nettie Designs on top of it. And I really like the font, and it's in rose gold foil, so it coordinated perfectly with this kit. I'm putting down another one of those headers from Tassel Planner on top of the full box on Sunday, and then I'm going to hop back over to Friday and mark that Friday was payday, which is a great day. And I started with the header from Rose Colored Days, and then added one of these scalloped half boxes from Panda Bird Designs, and the payday script I'm using is from Nettie Designs. Moving back over to Tuesday, I'm using this reminder memo box from Crafts by Taui and adding an edit Plan With Me script from Letters to Apollo right next to that. And I just wanted to mark that I was going to do some editing on my lunch break. And that was for the PP Week spread that I wanted to have up on Wednesday. I needed to get that editing finished. Underneath there, I was sadly marking that one of my coworkers passed away, and that was just so devastating that day. His name was Peter, and he was older, and so he had lived a great life. And so I mean, at least from that standpoint, it wasn't like crazy tragic, like sudden death, but it's still really sad. I'd worked with him for the last 3 years, and we're really close in my department, which I'm very grateful for, and he will be missed so much. And it sucked that we were like working from home and couldn't be together to like comfort each other and deal with and process all of this. So that was like the hardest part of this. Anyways, underneath where I'd marked Peter, I used a half box to mark that my internet went down, which really sucked and made life super difficult on Wednesday and Thursday, trying to work from home with using my phone as a hotspot and not having my normal Wi-Fi. On Wednesday, I'd also marked a FaceTime call with my parents, and then what I'm marking here is just my workout for Wednesday, and I used an elliptical sticker from Tassel Planner. On Thursday, I'm using a label stickers and that same desktop icon from Sweet Bella XOXO to mark a meeting that we had for work. We have some changes coming up to our work schedule for next week. And so my boss called a meeting so she could go over what was happening and what was getting ready to change. And basically my work hours next week are going to change. So we're going to be shifted from working 40 hours a week to only working 30 hours a week. And so they were explaining to us like how we could compensate with either vacation time or unemployment, however we wanted to do that. So very interesting times we are all living through. Underneath there, I added a header from Tassel Planner and another one of those foiled bow boxes from Sadie Stickers. This appointment script sticker is from Paper Focus, and I used that to mark that Spectrum was coming to fix my internet, which I was so happy about. Because it had like started working a little bit that morning and then completely went out again, and it went out like about a half an hour before they showed up to fix it. And I was like, thank God, so glad you're here, fix it so that it doesn't go out again. And then it had been a very long day, so I ended up taking a nap after work, and so I used another one of those Giving Girls scalloped half boxes to mark that, and the little face mask or sleep mask is from Artbox Stickers. Underneath there, I'm adding another one of those Sadie's Flourishes and some more of these butterflies from Netty Designs. I thought it was a good way to just kind of break up the space and add a little bit of deco into this area because I didn't have too much more going on Thursday. And then I'm going to use a third box to mark just a TV show I enjoy watching and that I watched that evening, which is the show Mixed Dish that I watched on Hulu. On Friday, there were so many new releases and amazing sticker sales, and I had a really good time kind of shopping and going crazy. Not too crazy, but I had a lot of fun. And I didn't feel super bad because I'm kind of just now like getting back into planning after having not planned for a really long time. And so I needed to rebuild my kit stash because I just don't have a lot of kits to use right now. So I did do some sticker shopping, and I marked that new release script is from Rose Colored Days. Then underneath there, I wanted to mark that it was one of my coworkers' birthdays, and so I'm adding this happy birthday script from Rose Colored Days. The balloons are from Tassel Planner, and I just marked that it was my coworker Trish's birthday. The quarter box that I used there is from Artbox Stickers. Underneath there, I'm going to make a little cleaning to-do list. I'm starting by placing down a header from Sadie Stickers, and then I'm using this 3-heart checklist from Rose Colored Days, and the to clean script that I'm using is from Paper Focus. And I just made a list. I wanted to clean the dishes and sweep and mop the floors and wash the towels. And once I had marked washing the towels, I put the little laundry basket from Tassel Planner next to that, just because it was laundry. To finish off Friday, I'm using another one of those quarter boxes from Artbox Stickers and adding a workout script from Sticky Sloth Designs to mark my workout for Friday evening. On Saturday morning, I wanted to get my day started with some editing, and so I'm using a half box from Artbox Stickers. Now that I have more than one planner, I'm keeping up with editing for more than one type of plan with me. It is a lot of fun. And so I've marked here that I'm doing the editing for my PP Week spread, but I'm also doing the editing for this video and my Erin Condren that you guys are watching right now. So I don't know why I only marked one of them. but I was doing editing for both. And then I added another one of those Sadie's flourishes to that box because I just thought it really helped tie it in with the spread and just looked super cute. Underneath there, I'm adding another one of those headers from Sadie's and using this little planner icon. I was almost going to use the sticker icon, but it was right next to the sticker icon on Friday, so I decided to go with a planner and just marking that I was going to film a haul video. Underneath there, I'm adding a laptop sticker from my newest addiction, and the study script I'm going to layer on the side of it is from Artbox Stickers. And boo, this is the one thing I had really been enjoying not marking in my planner for the last couple of weeks, but the information for my next class is up and available on my school app and everything. So I was like, okay, I might as well review the syllabus and take a look at what I'm gonna have to get myself into next week, because school starts again for me on Tuesday. I'm down to my last 2 classes, which I'm super hype about because I'm so ready to be done. But anyways, that's what I used to mark that. And then I added this little nail polish bottle from Artbox Stickers and layered one of the little butterflies from Netty Designs on top of it to mark painting my nails. And then in the full box at the bottom, I added my workout. I've started doing this ballet legs workout, which is super intense but amazing. I love the way my legs feel afterwards, but during it, oh my God, I swear I want to yell at that lady through YouTube because she is like killing me, but it's a great workout. On Sunday, I started with one of those Sadie's bow headers and then added another 3rd box from the kit. The plate icon is from Artbox Stickers and the Plan With Me live script is from Letters to Apollo. The adorable little girl sitting on her bed with her laptop sticker is from Planner Pixie Co. And I use that to mark a YouTube binge, which is such a great and relaxing way to enjoy your weekend, or at least it's how I like to enjoy mine. And then underneath the weekend banner, I added another one of those flourishes from Sadie Stickers and used a meal prep icon from the GP Studio. And here I am adding just a few more of those butterfly stickers from Netty Designs. I just really love adding that little deco touch to this week's spread. It kind of really went well with this kit to me, and I just loved those little touches of deco. Moving down to the bottom of the page, I'm adding another one of those headers from Rose Color Days and from Sadie's. And I use that kind of like an outline for this little planner cart, and just wanted to mark organizing my sticker stash because I really needed to go through and reorganize everything, take a look at what I have in my collection so that I know what I'm using, so I'm not forgetting to use stickers, which really sucks when you're done with a spread and then you see a sticker and you're like, oh, I totally could have used that. Yeah, so that's where I'm at with my stash right now. But anyways, that completes this week's spread. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Have an amazing day, stay safe, and I'll see you next video.